Mommy and Daddy, are you ready to play?
We're always ready to play.
Gus and Combo, are you ready to play?
I'm game!
And I'm ready too!
Great, because today we have a mystery Playdate coming over.
How do we find out who it is?
We have to collect 3 hints by completing challenges.
Challenges?
Yep, we have to do them with our bodies, our minds, and as a family.
Well, what are we waiting for? I'm ready to play.
Challenge time!
This is the best thing since sliced bread.
It's about to get better because it's time for the Traffic Jam Challenge. To get the hint, you need to knock over all those jam jars with your Toastmobiles and then cross the finish line. Are you ready to roll?
I'm always ready to roll.
Then let's zoom through the countdown.
5,
4,
3.
2, 1,
go!
All right, Ryan, let's go.
Whoa.
Fast! Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Get it! Wow! Woo! Whoa! I'm losing control! Love slimes!
Congratulations! You've earned your first hint.
It's Mystery Splasher time!
Release the mystery splasher! It's green on the green one.
Do you see the hint?
You feel anything?
I feel something. It's a hintamajig. Let's go take it to the Guessatron. Vegetables!
You know, carrots will help you see in the dark.
Nature's night vision goggles.
What's your favorite vegetable combo?
Mind your peas and carrots, Gus.
I'd rather mind my chips and marshmallows.
Maybe we need another hint.
Challenge time!
Is that a hot air balloon?
Yeah, I hear that too, but I don't see it.
Whenever there's a hot air balloon, fun is sure to follow. What is that?
There's a hot air balloon!
It's so big! Wow!
Whoa!
Cool.
How fun! And this must be your next hint. Are you ready to shake things up?
I'm always ready to shake things up.
Great, then let's start the challenge countdown.
5,
4,
3.
2, 1,
go!
Oh.
go, Ryan!
Whoa.
A lot of air is coming out.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh. The piece came off.
Go, okay. Whoa, Ryan.
Oh, you were swinging like a baseball player. Good job,
Mom's
man.
gonna get me.
I
Whoa.
never knew hot air balloons are so tough.
There's balloons inside the balloon.
Oh, and lots of balloons.
Go, Ryan.
Whoa, it's a lot coming up.
Go, Ryan. Go, Ryan. You got this.
Whoa.
Ryan, look what's here.
It's a hintamajig. Let's go take it to the Guessatron to see what hint is hiding inside. Let's go! Oven mitts. Oven mitts means there's always something tasty coming.
Ooh, sloppy joes, cheese-filled salad. The list goes on.
Why do you put candles on top of a birthday cake?
Because it's easier than putting candles on the bottom of a birthday cake.
I don't know about you, but I'm hungry for one more hint. You know what that means?
Mystery box time. Let's go!
What's it gonna be?
I don't know, but I can't wait.
Let's find out.
First 3 knocks.
Then lights and sounds.
Mystery box
Right from the ground!
What is this?
I like money sign.
a cash register?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Hello. What would you like today?
I want apple, oranges, bananas.
Sorry, but we have nothing for sale.
There's so many different hole slots over here.
Money.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Whoa.
what is this?
It's a credit card. Here you go. I'm gonna pay.
Oh, Ryan, look, it came out.
Another credit card?
Oh, yeah, but it's a different color and it's thinner. This one. See, they match colors. Ah,
Ryan, look.
it's even more thin. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
It's a hint-a-majig. Let's go take it to the Guessatron to see what hint is hiding inside. Let's go!
Yay!
A chef's hat.
Oh, my mouth is watering already.
How about we review the hints?
The first hint is vegetables.
The second hint is oven mitts.
And the third hint is a chef's hat. I think I know what my mystery playdate is, but let's see if I'm right. Whoa!
All right, let's take it to Mystery Guest Box.
Let's go! It's Chef Amber Kelley!
Hi, Ryan. Thanks for having me.
I love your videos. Watching them makes me hungry.
Okay, that's good because I brought a lot of snacks.
Wow, even thinking of them makes me want to eat something.
Cool, let's do it. So here are one of my favorites. These are PBJA. So it's a peanut butter and jelly sandwich in an apple.
What?
These look delicious.
I love these. And they give you tons of energy, which is great. And I have another one that we actually get to make today.
Oh, I want to make it.
All right, so we're gonna make homemade trail mix. So will you grab this jar? You're gonna be my helper. Okay,
Wow.
we're gonna add in some raisins.
Okay.
We're gonna add a little bit of nuts. All right, lid goes on. All right, now shake it. There you go, just like that.
Mix it well.
You gotta mix it up.
What else is in here?
So we've got some cereal, we've got some pretzels, we added in the nuts and the raisins, and some apricots. And that's it. But you can put whatever you want in your trail mix.
Wow, that's so cool. That was my beast. He's hungry too. I have a great idea we can do for a play date.
Ryan and Amber have got to feed the beast.
I'm hungry.
Whoa.
Whoa, the beast looks hungry.
We have to feed him until he stops.
All right, we have some food over here. What should we start with, Ryan?
Waffles.
All right, Daddy, help me. It's
Give me
heavy. It's a
anything.
lot.
There we go. Waffles.
Here you go. Ooh.
Delicious.
Whoa.
I don't know if he can eat it all. Maybe he wants the plate.
Yeah, plate. Oh, that's fantastic.
Mommy and Daddy, we need more food. Cheeseburger.
Okay.
Whoa.
All right, here we go.
That is delicious.
I don't know, I think we might need to put ketchup on that hamburger.
Mommy and Daddy, it isn't working. What's next?
Meatballs!
Okay.
Here we go.
I want some
This
more.
should do it. These are massive meatballs.
Triple meatball. Yeah, spoon and bowl. Bring it all in.
We had the spoon and the bowl.
What do we have? He's still hungry.
Yeah, I'm still hungry.
Sandwich.
Oh, a submarine sandwich. This is a beast-worthy snack. Hawaiian pizza. Here we go.
Wow.
He ate all of it.
Fries?
These aren't some regular fries. These are chili fries. Are you full yet?
Making a little bit of room over here.
Oh my gosh.
Sweet potato.
It's a sweet potato.
You full yet?
Keep it coming. Keep
This
it
is
coming.
unbelievable. The beast has a huge appetite.
French onion.
Ah,
Delicious.
this looks like mac and sneeze. Here you
Oh,
go.
it's dripping.
I think he wants dessert.
Ooh.
There we go.
Pie.
Pie. Perfect.
You know what, guys? I'm full. I've had enough.
What?
Well, what are we gonna do with this pie?
I got an idea.
I know what he's thinking.
Oh my God.
What? I knew somebody was gonna do it anyway.
Thanks for having me, Ryan. I had such a fun time.
Thanks for being my playmate.
Of course. Good luck with your whipped cream.
Oh, thank you.
Bye, you guys.
What a great play!
Can't wait for the next one.
Thank you for coming by. See you next time on Ryan's Mystery Playdate.
Clap, clap, kick, kick, shake, 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 fireworks.
Clap, clap, kick, kick, shake, 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 fireworks.
Bye.